How often have you needed a quick way to open your programs and you end up finding yourself going through the start menu or searching for it every time? Let me give you an easy tip. Pin them to your taskbar. How do we do this? Well, simple. First thing is let's go find the file. So I'm going to search for my missing word. All I need to do is search for it. You can do this by clicking on the start menu and scrolling through, but searching is going to be quick and easy. Once I've found the program, I can right click and I've got the option pin to taskbar. Quick and easy, but it's a Microsoft product, so let's have a look at the other option. Alternatively, we can click on the program and start it up just as normal. And once it's started, we've then got our icon in the taskbar. Right click and you'll see pin to taskbar is available. Now if I close the program, the button stays there, and of course I can click and drag it to put it in whatever order I want as well. So multiple ways of doing the exact same thing, but why not give it a go? Pin your programs, your favourite programs, to your taskbar. I'm Michelle. This is our quick and easy tips. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe down below to the channel for more useful quick tips.